Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and my system is showing me a sell, a system B trade. Okay, and yeah, I'm taking a 13 lot size sell. I haven't taken a big lot size trade like this. Let me take some extra profit in the market. So today is the 12th of July, still 2023. I know I took a previous trade. I uploaded that some days ago. I would have uploaded that some days ago. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Milga Markets. Link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account. And if you want to use my software for free for 2 weeks free trial, make sure you sign up with Milga Markets also and have at least $150 in your account so that I know that you're serious. Send me proof of both or either of them on WhatsApp and Telegram, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. We'll be right back when we're into more profits selling in this market. All right, guys, we're getting closer and closer to take profits. We're over $5,000 in profits right now. Should I close it? We're getting closer and closer and closer. Take profits. Take profits hits. Take profits hits. That's it. All right, we've made over 5,000. Let's go check our profits. We made over 5,000 in less than an hour. Okay, guys, this is how it's meant to be done. This is how scalping is meant to be done. This is what I teach. This is what I show my students live. I've done this live with my students in person. I've done this live with my students online. Remember, if you want to learn how to do this with live trades and get the software free, it comes with the course. Go to hedgingmastermind.com. And if you want to copy my trades, sign up with Milga Markets, link in the description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account to connect to my account. And if you want to test my software for free, which is also available on TradingView, fund your account with Milga Markets with at least $150. And yeah, send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. I also do live streams every week. I try to do at least 3 live streams. Sign up with Milga Markets, fund your account, and you can come in my live streams on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays during New York session and make money for free. Okay, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another trade soon.